I'm very, very happy with the progress that I've made. It is actually possible to teach yourself. I don't know if you can say teach yourself Arabic really, because if you're relying on YouTube videos, there are people behind those channels who are teaching. And I have used a lot of them. I have three or so that I stick to. And then there are also some that I browse, and they're all been very, very helpful. I started this Arabic course, Medina series. It's got book one, book two, and book three. I don't have my book one now. I need to buy another one because I gave it to somebody as a gift. And so I only have this one. So I like that, from the progress. If you look at my earlier videos and how I was telling you the best ways to study, I can actually open a book like this and be able to read the lessons. For example, I'll read this. Obviously the reading is not as perfect. I will need to eventually do some listening and speaking with somebody in person, because I've been mostly focusing on online learning. Al-Darsul al-Awwal, the first lesson, of course. Hashim, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Al-Mudaris, which is a teacher. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And then Hashim, this is a dialogue. So that's Hashim again. Kayfa haluk ya ustad. Ustad is also another word for teacher. La alaka bi khairin. Al-Mudaris, Alhamdulillah. Wa kayfa haluk anta ya Hashim. Ana uhibbuka kathiran ya Hashim. Innaka talibu dhakiyun wa mujtahid wa dhu khuluqin. Amin Pakistan anta min al-Hindi ya Hashim. Are you from Pakistan or India ya Hashim? Inni min al-Hindi. I am from India. Al-Mudaris, wa zamiluka alladhi kharaja ma'aka al-an min al-fasl ahuwa أيضا من الهند لا إنه من Pakistan. Just being able to actually read and understand this is absolutely, absolutely amazing. I'm loving the whole journey of learning Arabic. At the moment, I have finished book 2 and I'm now revising it while also doing book 3. I restarted book 1 a few times, I think 2-3 times. Then I had to tell myself to keep moving, because if I keep on thinking I don't understand, I won't finish. So then I moved to book 2. I did a video showing which person I use on YouTube to help. He is very, very good, alhamdulillah. He explains everything so well, and we go through the exercises as well. But obviously you can't ask any questions. So you have to be very determined to do it on your own. And what I do, because after the dialogue, then you have exercises. And then with these exercises, what I tend to do, I pause the video or stop the video or don't start the next one, because sometimes the exercises are in the next video. I then go through it on my own first. I answer all the questions that I can on my own, and then watch the video to see what I got correct and what I didn't. And then I correct myself with the video. So it takes me longer because I do it that way, rather than just watching video after video after video, without testing myself to see if I understand. And then here at the end, we have a list of new words that have been introduced into that. So these are good words to add to any vocabulary list. Like usually the first questions are from the dialogue. Like here, it will say Min Aina Hashim, where is Hashim from? So that's from the story. So you go back to the story if you don't remember. Look about where Hashim talks about where he's from. Here, Inni min al Hindi. And then you answer the question. And you just go on and on. And then after the questions from the actual text, from the story or the dialogue, then you have things explaining grammar, their grammar rules and stuff like that. Like here, inna and huwa, innahu. I have books, I have another grammar series that I actually took time to study. I have written about it as well in one of the videos I've done, but I'll put the links as well in the description below. So I don't have a set time like, oh, I need to finish this by this time. No, I don't do that. I just finish it when I finish it. However long it takes me, if I need to rewatch a video, I'll do that. If I have to watch it 3 times, 4 times, whatever it takes, and rewind, stop, pause. So someone will say, oh, I did this in 6 months, but for me it could take me longer, and this is the second lesson, and it goes on, and it has the description at the back. It's for English speakers, so at the back for each lesson there's a corresponding English version at the back where they explain the topics being discussed in the story. Like for lesson 1, they're talking about in Arabic 2 sentences. So when you do lesson 1, you can actually make notes using the back of the book. This one, explanation. But I find that having the video as well is very, very beneficial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.